Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you my travel journey to Lafour Season Resort, which is located after Salem. And so I have started my journey from Bangalore around 6 o'clock in the morning. So we stopped for a breakfast at A to B in Tamilnadu at Chinnar. So before Krishnagiri, and then again we started our journey back to our travel destination. And then on the way, I know I captured a few of the viewpoints, and it was looking really amazing. And also, you could able to see a few of the monkeys over there. So when we reached this hill station around 11 o'clock in the morning, but though it was full of fog, you can able to see, but it was looking really amazing. And I would suggest everybody to carefully drive at this place because it is very narrow road, and also width is very small, so drivers should be carefully they should drive. So once we cross this hill station around 30 minutes, then after that we'll enter city, and then from there to the Lafour season it will take around 10 kilometers, and then finally we reach the resort. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Lafour Seasons. I am Kadivan CGM here. On behalf of the resort, I once again welcome you and wish you to have a comfortable stay. Few seconds I will explain the facilities available here so it will be easy for you to explore it. We have the facilities like swimming pool, recreation room with table tennis, chess, carom, bullseye, shuttle court, lawns, gardens, multi-cuisine restaurant, conference hall, children's play area, spa, evening common bonfire. In weekends, we used to have an entertainment. This is the reception area. Here we used to have some games like a carom board, archery, chess, and kids play materials will be there.
Okay.
And this is the only resort in Yercaud which has a separate library.
Okay.
So people who wish to read books can have a pleasant time here. This is a nature-friendly resort. The total space of this resort is 4.5 acres, and we have only 25 villas and 29 rooms. And all are signature 1 BHK and 2 BHK villas. And we have a lot of lawns and gardens. This is totally a nature-friendly resort.
Okay.
And regarding the food, we never use food coloring Ajinomoto in our preparation. Tribal food is one of top notch here because ours is the only resort in India who offer this tribal cuisine. In breakfast, we have a special food called Durai curry, which is very special here.
What is that?
Durai curry is nothing but food which is served to the British peoples 300 years back. On those days when British peoples came here, with their guidance, the hill tribals, they prepared a thin stew. They served with country bread. We just reinvented that and it is served here as a special delicacy.
Okay. So shall we explore the property?
Yeah, please, ma'am. As I told you, it's a family-friendly resort. On whichever the places near the rooms, we'll be having tables like a mushroom table,
Okay.
where the family can come here, have some chat, play some cards, or watch some musics, or even they can have some snacks also here. You just look at the pathway without spoiling the nature. We just put them stones here, that as steps.
Okay.
So it's completely greenery. This is a tulip villa what you are seeing now. This is a duplex one in the ground floor, another one in the first floor. It's 650 square feet, 1 BHK. So in one block, 2 tulip villas will be there.
So one block, two BHK will be there.
Actually, in one block, 1 BHK, 2 tulip villas will be there.
Okay.
Now what you are watching is an Irish villa, sidewise we are watching. We'll go in the front side. You can go this side.
This way?
Yeah, this way. This one. This is Irish premium villa.
Okay.
It's a 750 square feet individual 1 BHK.
So may I know the cost starting range for this villa?
This one in weekdays we are offering for 5K, and weekends it's 8K, and in festival holidays it will be 12K.
And
So,
this is Irish?
This is also Irish villa.
Irish, okay.
So in between the villas we will have the some hammocks will be there.
Okay.
So the kids or the youngsters they can come and relax here. We'll go this way. Each villa has a private terrace. This one is our bonfire area.
Yeah.
Evening 9 to 10 we used to play some light music, and bonfire will be there. And the peoples can play shuttle or cricket here. Last house, no, that is called a king house.
King House.
It's
Okay.
a 2000 square feet 2 BHK.
Okay.
You can able to see the terrace, no? There is a covered terrace where around 20 members can sit and have party.
Oh, that's good. And what is the cost for that room?
That will be 16K in a weekend,
16K in a weekend.
12K in a weekday.
So this is the conference room,
Yeah, this is the conference room.
and which can accommodate up to?
Up to 200 members. In cluster style, up to 100 members we can accommodate. In theatre style, up to 200 members we can accommodate.
So it comes with a notepad and pencil,
As
water
requested
bottle,
by the
everything.
guest.
Huh. So also it has speaker and mixers and everything.
Yes, ma'am. Whatever required for the conference hall, all the facilities are available here.
And it has a huge screen.
That's right. AC is also there.
Okay, podium is there.
Kutuvilaku. Whatever the guest requires, we will arrange it. The landscaping is the other specialty here. There is a tremendous work done by the architect for the landscaping. So we will be having some natural seating, wooden tables will be there, chairs will be there.
So it is like I mean, you have made the use of available resources.
That's right. And there is a hanging chair.
This is really good.
Imagine in this peaceful place, a person can just relax with the background music of birds.
Yes.
A small pond will be there and a hammock will be there. These all are Irish villas. Again, some mushroom tables will be here. If the guest wish to take some plants, we will provide these plants.
Oh, is it to their home?
Yes, yes, yes. We have some roses, some crotons, the type of plants and all here. And whichever there is a space, we will be having some kids activity like this. This is for both kids as well as grown up kids. We will be having some hammocks, some hanging chairs, mushroom tables, and some swings.
So everywhere I'm seeing that mushroom seating.
Yes, ma'am. It's a family resort, no, ma'am.
And swing as well.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the children's play area has been spread out.
Yes.
So that it's not required that
Across the
everybody
property
has to.
it is there,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
For serving the barbecue.
Barbecues, candlelight dinners.
Candlelight dinners as
Yes.
well.
On top, we will serve the moonlight dinner.
That's great. So this is man-made waterfall, no?
Yes, ma'am. Very good.
So again, here there is a pool.
Also, we will be having bonfire here.
Oh, this place?
Yes. Two BHK.
This is Arcade Villa.
Yes.
2 BHK one. Okay.
So one in the ground floor, one in the first floor. Another bonfire area here.
For smaller groups.
Yes, ma'am. And the children's play area.
But one thing, what I'm seeing here, like across the property, children's play area is there.
They are also here. We have hammocks, hangs, like.
Play area, kids play area, we have a restaurant here.
So with the
And outside the restaurant, there is a restroom.
yeah, because people cannot just climb back to the
Yes.
room. This is our the breakfast lunch dinner is over here.
So is it for the kids?
Yes, ma'am. We have a small carrom board, chess board,
And human
and
football is there. Yeah.
foosball, and a bullseye, bowling games. Apart from the reception, we have these things here.
So for today, high tea, it's aloo bonda and with the combination is chutney. And there is a coffee and tea.
Yes.
So this is Iris Villa and 700 square feet. So what you are seeing, this is a living area. So in this living area, you are seeing a cupboard and then one extra bed will be there and also some sofa to seat it. And next we are entering inside the room. So here we have a king size bed and also like you have office space, like a chair and then some table. Then you have wardrobe to keep your things, also like you have some extra bed over there just beside the window to have a look, and then you have a TV as well with a cable. Yeah, here you have a mirror, and this is attached washroom. It has a washroom kit like toothbrush, paste, comb, and then shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And also it has a geyser, and it will take 15 minutes to get the water heated. Yeah, this is the view from inside the room window. So view will be awesome from this window.
Can I open it, Dhamma?
Yes,
Can come a
please.
little bit closer.
So may I know what is this dish name called?
This dish is called Dorai curry.
Okay.
Actually, when British peoples ruled Yercaud, with their guidance, the hill tribals they prepared a stew, which
Okay.
is very thin, very spicy. It's made out of aloo, then drumstick marrow and mutton.
Okay.
It's very spicy. They used to take it with a country bread or very soft bun, and with ginger tea.
Okay.
When they are taking it, they will start to sweat. That heat will help them to sustain this climate. This is really one of the very delicious dish. And with an innovation, we made a country garlic bread also with
Okay.
secret Lafour seasons masala. You just please have a try. It will be wonderful.
Sure. Thanks. Yeah.
It's very thin. Can you able to see the steam in the out coming out
Yes.
of the?
Yes.
Now you have to take a bun,
Hmm.
dip it in that
Dip it in the
stew,
stew.
and then eat it. You cannot pour the stew in the bun.
I
You have to
understood.
take the bun, dip it, and then eat it.
Okay. Got it.
I will record it.
Yeah. Sure. So even this garlic bread also we need to dip it in this and
Yes,
have
ma'am.
it.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the normal plain bun. So that I'm just dipping into this. Yeah, I'm feeling that sourness and then a little bit of spicy.
How was the taste, ma'am?
It's really good. So I'm just gonna taste this one. It's a little bit too hot.
It just right from the stove.
I think pepper is added into this.
Yes, ma'am. The wild spices and masalas whichever are available in the Yercaud forest, they used to use that.
And this masala and that this mutton is cooked very well. So it is giving a good flavor actually. That pepper one and then this masalas everything. It's really good.
Thank you, ma'am. Please have a try with the other piece, ma'am.
Yeah. And also it is so juicy as well.
That's a specialty of this one.
It is not hard also. It is very juicy. It's really good. I think one of the unique, amazing dish. So I would say everybody to try this dish.
Garlic bun also.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
I think some fried garlic and then maybe a red chili flakes.
Actually, we have a special secret masala which we prepared.
Okay.
That masala has been sprinkled over it.
And so then comparing with the plain bun, so along with this special masalas of this Lafour season, this is giving a more tasty.
You can able to see that garlic,
Yes,
caramelized
the
garlic
main
with this.
garlic I can able to see, and also the masalas is coated onto this bun, and this bun has been roasted, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is giving a more flavor and the taste for this. There is another must try food over here is I would say bamboo biryani. This is the amazing viewpoint from Chevron Temple, and this temple is like 1,000-year old temple, and which has a Lord Lakshmi and Vishnu and then Ganesha. So and it's a cave temple basically. So they don't allow you to take any photos over there, and but the temple is really good. And so from there, this is the viewpoint, and it is like looking so beautiful from here. Like you can see the sky is looking so blue and looks good. And this is just 5 minutes away from the Lafour Season Resort. Also, there are couple of must-visit places like Pico Park, water boating, and then many other places. Also, Lafour season has only a Geo network. Other than that, you don't get any other network like BSNL, Airtel. So it doesn't work over there. And also, like only thing is like you will be able to connect with WhatsApp. Wi-Fi will be there inside the room and in the reception, and very few places in the restaurant. So I would say a must visit, resort. So it's really good place, and those who like the nature, they can come and stay over here. It's a really good place. And thanks for watching my video. Yeah, please support me like this. Thank you all. Outside of this property, you have ample of space for car parking. So around 10 to 12 cars can be parked over there. So you can see now there are few couple of cabs are parked over there. And this is the view from the entrance. I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.